Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G62 5G model, and in this video we are going to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. The first feature that we wanted to highlight today is the fingerprint unlock method and how you can set it up. In order to do that, you gotta open settings, then enter the security category, choose the fingerprint section over here. Now we gotta set some backup screen lock method as well. We can choose from the options of pattern, pin, or password. I'll go with pattern myself, then draw the pattern that you would like to use, redraw it and confirm. Choose what notification content will be visible, and start the setup procedure. The scanner is located at the side power key. So in order to enroll the fingerprint, you gotta just gradually lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it, so the entire surface of it will be correctly scanned and scanned to begin with. So as you can see, I have successfully enrolled my fingerprint. Now I can go ahead and test this feature out. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues or problems whatsoever. And so let's move onwards. The next feature is called Always On Display. It is a very well-known feature that a lot of modern devices provide you with. In order to activate it on this Motorola, you gotta launch settings, then enter the display category. Next, you gotta open the pick display page, switch this toggle on, and go for settings. In here we can slightly customize the appearance of the always on display that we'll get, and each kind of design can be customized separately as well. I'll go with this version, for example. Then decide whether we would like for the background to be animated or not. Also, we can turn on or turn off the tap to wake option or AOD characteristic, then switch on or switch off the vibration, switch on or switch off the safe reply feature, and also we can prevent apps from sending their notifications to the pick display or AOD as well. Alrighty, let's go ahead and see how the AOD that we set looks like so. Already moving on to the next option for this video, that is located at the display category of settings as well. It is called the display refresh rate, and it is responsible for the, well, as you could already guess, the screen refresh rate that we have. Two values to choose from, 60 or 120 Hz. 60 Hz will get you longer battery life. 120 will provide you with smoother and silkier animations and overall visual experience. If you do not want for this setting to be switched manually, you can always set it to the auto mode, which will always show the optimum refresh rate in accordance with the current system, state, battery state, and other characteristics that the AI uses. Moving on to the fourth option, that is the smallest one for this video, to be honest. As you can see right now, while looking at the battery at the status bar, we can kind of eyeball how much power we have left, but in order for us to exactly understand how much battery life we hold at the moment, we gotta expand the control and notifications panel like so. So if you would like to be able to see the battery percentage at all times, right over here at the status bar, just open the battery category of settings and switch on the battery percentage toggle. So fifth and last feature is located at the system category. Just go for the performance, RAM boost, and as you can see right here, it allows us to increase the random access memory amount we have by 1 GB. So in order to switch this feature on and increase the RAM, just tap on this toggle and reboot the phone. And once the system gets restarted, we'll be able to clearly see that the changes that we have just made have taken effect. So let's simply wait. Alrighty, let me just open the settings real quick and show you guys the RAM boost effect. So I'll launch settings, enter the system category, then performance, RAM boost. As you can see, the feature is on, and now the amount of RAM we have is 5 GB instead of default 4. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.